Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Issue World, where we are gonna start our second video of step 2 of generative AI engineering roadmap. And uh, in this video we are gonna learn object oriented programming, especially encapsulation. In encapsulation we have made it a file, and let's start with it. Okay. And what if I told you that your data could be completely exposed and vulnerable in your Python classes? Today, we are gonna dive into that method only, encapsulation, which is one of the most important concepts in object-oriented programming that protects your data. What you will learn in this video is that what encapsulation really means, how to protect your data from unwanted access, the difference between public, protected, and private attributes, real world examples you can also immediately use. We'll start by analyzing some code and writing the code, then transforming it to the demonstrate proper encapsulation principles, which will help us to learn and understand why data protection is crucial in professional programming. So let's start by writing our code. Let's make a first class of employee. Let's say we are guessing how many leaves they are taking. Okay, how many leaves they are taking. Now let's start with the employee class, and first we will see that number of leaves let's say it's are 8, and it is a class variable. It's shared by all employee objects. Think of it as company policy that applies to everyone. Okay? And now we will start with a constructor method, making a constructor method in class only. This method is a constructor. It automatically, and in name is let's say is salary, uh, salary, a row, and these are the contributes. So we are gonna give them some name. Let me first write name, and at the end I will explain you the code only. Sorry. Okay, now let me explain you the code. This this init method is our constructor. It will automatically runs when creating a new employee. Notice how we take three parameters and assign them only into instance variable like self. Okay. Each employee object has now its own unique name, salary, and role. Now let's start with another function, which will be instance method. Uh, Details. Let me write the code first. Sorry, it will take more time if I will write manually. So sorry to be said, but I will copy paste it only. Okay. Now I will explain it. The print details method returns a formatted string with employee information. When we say what is this employee's name or like a salary, it will fully tell us his name, salary, and role in the company. It accesses the instance variables we created in the constructor using self. Here the define initialize. That is only. Okay. Now we will start with making a class method by adding at the rate class method in the upside of it. It is known as a decorator. Here the at the rate class method is something interesting which is called a decorator. This method works on class itself, not individual objects. It can modify the class variable number of leaves for all employees simultaneously. Perfect for company-wide policy changes. Okay. Now we will start with let's say that static method. Okay, now I will make a static method where static method definition. Here something also is utility. Like static method are utility functions inside our class. They don't need self or cls like parameters. The first one is clever. It splits a dash separated string to create an employee object. The second is just a simple utility function. Okay, uh, here the from dash, and the second method is this one. Okay, now let's begin with another one. uh, Now let's create some objects to see the examples and everything. Now, like create some employees, I mean. Okay, so let's create some employees outside of the class, which will be Harry, Rohan, and Karan. Like use the normal constructor, but watch Karan. He is created with dashes in between into name, salary, and role automatically. Method con let's call the employee method print good Rohan. Now finally we call the setting method directly on the class printing this is good Rohan. Okay. Now but here's the issue with our current code. There's no data protection. Watch this. Anyone can modify any attribute directly in real applications. This could lead to data corruption, security breaches, and system failures. Now, what is encapsulation? Encapsulation is like a protective capsule around your data. It has three main principles: bundle data and methods together, keep related things in one place, hide internal implementation. Users don't need to know how things work internally, and control access to data. Provide safe ways to read and modify data. Think of it like a bank wallet. Your money is protected inside, but you can still deposit and withdraw through controlled methods like ATMs or tellers. Implement. Let me show you how to fix this with the proper encapsulation. Now we'll make the code fully modified. Okay, let me add the code. Here is the code. Okay, here is a new code. Notice a double underscore in the salary. This makes it private. Now we provide controlled access through get salary and set salary method with validation and testing with protection. Let's test it. Okay, run a Python file. And here you see error of string. Let me fix it, sorry. Okay, it's looking good. Still error. Okay, I have added this one. Okay, no problem. Closing section, like remember this encapsulation principles. Use private attributes for sensitive data. Provide public methods for control access. Always validate data before modifying. Think of encapsulation as data protection, not data hiding. Sorry. Encapsulation is a fundamental to writing secure, maintainable code. Practice implementing getters and setters in your own classes. Like and subscribe for more Python hooks, concepts, and let me know in the comments what topic you did like to see next, because I'm gonna make part 3 also. Thank you everyone. Take care and bye bye.